There's a lot of colors, I don't know where to go. See a lot of colors, only feeling blue.
Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all lovely and cozy, got your blankets, got your cup of coffee or tea. This is like a bowl of coffee. I feel like I need it this morning. Do you know when some days you're like, okay, I need like a bigger coffee than usual? That's today, and I hope you guys are really excited for today's video. So you would have just seen my full house tour on Tuesday. If you haven't already, then please watch it, show it some love. I'll pop it in the description box down below if you wanted to catch up on it. And I showed you guys everywhere in the house, but a little secret, I haven't actually filmed that yet because I wanted to clean it all before I film that video. So I'm cleaning it before and then that video is going to go up after. Quite confusing. So I thought we could clean it today so it's all lovely and clean for that video, and also just because I want a clean home and it does need a little bit of TLC. So I thought I'd share with you my full house speed clean today, which I'm looking out the window because if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen on my stories, there's this one squirrel that always comes on my fence in the garden and eats all the bird food. And at first I thought it was really cute. And then I realised it's costing me a lot of money actually. I do think he's sweet, so I don't mind. But I'm just watching him. I do it every day. Anyway, let's get back on the video. Yeah, I thought I would do a full house speed clean. My house needs a little bit of TLC and I know you guys love these type of videos. I'm really sorry. This is a really hot mug. I think I should put it down. So to start this video off, I thought I would film a little household haul with my favourite cleaning products that I'll be using in today's video and other random householdy bits because I love buying these sort of items, and I have found this app which I am just obsessed with. I've got my whole family onto it. I showed my mum the other day when she came to stay over and she was hooked on it. So yeah, it's such a good app and I'm so excited to share it with you and share with you all of the incredible products, which there's two massive boxes over there. So I thought I could show you that really quickly before I jump into the speed clean. It's an app called CHERRYZ. Now I'm sure you've seen this a lot, especially at the moment. I feel like it's gone round on YouTube a lot at the moment, and they have really kindly sponsored this part of the video just so I can show you a range of their items that they sell and also how incredible their app is, because I've even gone off my own back and bought stuff off even when it's not been part of a sponsor, and every time I work with them I always add more items on and just pay for it myself because it's so good. They sell affordable items and they also have really top brands as well. So they do like Minky and Lenore and stuff like that, which is just incredible. So I'll show you that in a second. But if you use code CHERRYZ20, you can get 20% off your first order via the CHERRYZ app. So if you download the app, which I've actually got on my phone, like this, and their homepage is very simple. It reminds me of a bit of Instagram, which is kind of why I like it. You just scroll and scroll. You can search if you want to search. There's new items like Christmas and stuff like that. You get rewards. You can add things to your likes, and then also this is like your basket. It's so easy to use, and I always find myself scrolling on there when I'm watching telly in the evening, and it's just so easy and convenient, and the prices are just insane. So yeah, don't forget to use my code CHERRYZ20 via the CHERRYZ app and it will save you 20% off your first order, and the items are cheap already, so you'll see the top brands in a second. So yeah, hopefully you guys love it. I'll pop a link for it in the description box down below if you wanted to have a look and use the code. I didn't get any commission of it, by the way. They were just so kind enough to give me a code for you guys. But anyway, let's head over to the dining table and I can show you all the bits and pieces that I got. I don't even think you guys are ready to see how much stuff there is that I got from CHERRYZ. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Oh my god. This has taken me about half an hour to set up. This is just crazy. And I was trying to do it neat, believe it or not. But there's just so much stuff that doesn't even fit on the whole of my dining table, which, yes, fits 6 chairs. So you can imagine how big this is. I literally can't get over how much stuff there is, and I'm so excited to show you guys everything. As you can probably already see, there are some amazing top brands already which you can get from CHERRYZ for a fraction of the price. I love to stock up on my makeup wipes and stuff like that. I've sort of done this in like sections, so I'm just gonna sort of run through everything that I've got and then you sort of get the gist of what they sell. So over here we've got more of my beauty daily essentials. So I've got some spare toothbrushes when people come round, cotton pads. I love exfoliating gloves for when I like fake tan and stuff. These are really handy to have when my niece and nephews come round. I've never tried the simple sheet masks. I like the Garnier ones. I've never tried these, so I wanted to try them. Obviously these are my favourite makeup wipes ever, so I thought I'd stock up so I don't need them for a very long time. And also the simple ones I like to use every now and then as well. I've got 3 deodorants which I love. Some micellar water, moisturiser, mouthwash, and then some shampoo and conditioner. I love using Dove products to wash my body with, so I got 3 of them just to have and top up in each of the bathrooms. I got 3 razors. I love these, but this one's really good if you're travelling anywhere. In a couple of weeks we are staying at my cousin's house, so this is really handy for that. Obviously I had to top up on my favourite Zaflora, which is Midnight Blooms. I got some more Fairy Platinum Plus dishwasher tablets. These are so good. Colour Collect and Dirt Collector, these are so good. Pop it in a wash and it just collects any colours and stuff, so you can sort of mix your colours together. I got some toothpaste, plugins. These I haven't used before, but you pop them in the toilet and they remove 100% lime scale, calcium and rust, so I'm excited to use that today. We've got some hand wash, stain remover for clothes. This, which I want to use today as well, you pop it in the dishwasher and it makes it really shiny, so we can use that. I got some cloths, stain remover over here. These I've never used before, but I'm really excited about it. They get rid of any bin odours, so you pop it in your bin. It's like a powder and it gets rid of any odours, which is definitely what we need at the moment. We got some Unstoppables, which is in the scent Spring. That smells really fresh. Some cloths, minky cloths, all that kind of stuff, rubber gloves. This is you add into a whitewash. Plugins, Acorns, which I thought would look lovely for a flat lay. These plugins as well, as you know, if you've watched me before, over there I have literally plugins on each floor. Don't worry, I do turn them off, but I love to get the refills. So I got 4 of them. I like to use the blue ones in the kitchen. I got these Bold Pods. I've never used them before for washing, so I'm really excited. They're 3-in-1. So let me know if you guys have used this before. I've got some Fabulosa disinfectant spray, some elbow grease, some glass cleaner, Viacal, Mr. Muscle, and then window and glass cleaner. And then over here it came with a packet of 3 masks, and then over here we've got more householdy and food items. They sell so much bad food, which is annoying, but also a bit like, oh, okay, I'll just keep them in my fridge. But to be honest with you, I like to buy these for when our family comes around, because we like to have a treat basket that we just bring out in the evenings, and if anyone wants a treat, it's all in there. Me and Brady don't really tend to eat this on a daily basis. I wish, but no, it's definitely not healthy. But these more or less stay in that basket. I got some ballpoint pens. These look quite cute. These I thought looked so cute. I'm going to pop little tea lights in them here, and you can put them in your garden. I do think they're really cute, and we can pop them on the tables or something in the garden. This, oh my god, we love this. I bought 2 of these last time I done a haul with CHERRYZ, and they are so useful, so I got another. You can put like chips and crisps and stuff like that in them, and they just look quite cute on your plate, so got one of that. These I thought was so cute. These are reusable ice cubes, and you freeze them and they're little unicorns, can you see? So I just thought they're really cute. I got 2 of these microwave safe plate covers. These are really good. They make sure nothing spatters anywhere, and I don't know why else they're amazing, but I always see like my family use them, so I was like, I should probably get some of them. I got 2 grey baskets, which I thought were really cute. some white bin liners. These are good. I like to use these ones when I'm cleaning like the whole house, for example today, because they're a little bit smaller than the usual bin bags that we have, and these are really good just to empty all the bathroom bins and stuff like that. So I'll definitely be using them today. Oh, okay. I got 2 jugs. I feel like measuring jugs are just really handy to have. I feel like you can never have too many. Some crisps and more food, golden nuggets. This is like blast from the past. And these look really lovely as well. This is like a food cover. So if I'm baking any cookies or anything like that, I can just pop them or pop this over, and it goes like a dome. So no flies or anything will get to it, which is really handy. And then I also got this, which is very Christmassy but also really cute. They're little candle holders with candles, and I thought these are really cute and cozy for more Christmas time. So I'll pop these in the garage and save them for Christmas. That is so gonna slide. Yeah, this is my CHERRYZ haul. I thought I'd show you guys, and I can show you guys a lot of the products that I'll be using today, mainly cleaning products and stuff like that, so I can show you guys. It's just amazing working with the brand that I genuinely love and use. So yeah, don't forget to use my code AMyRose20 and you can get 20% off these amazing top brands as well. So yeah, so happy. Right, it's time to start cleaning, and I think we should head to the kitchen. Okay, so I'm going to start off by cleaning up all the bits and bobs that is on the side, and then I'm going to unload the dishwasher and then pop in a Finish dishwasher cleaner and just let it clean and do its thing.
Only feeling blue. There's a lot of colors lost within a haze. Don't rely on others to get you through the maze.
I'm then going to grab my Flash spray. I love this so much, and it makes your sink so sparkly and shiny and clean. And then I'll just use a Minky just to clean all of that together. I'm then going to use my favourite Zaflora, which is in the scent Midnight Blooms. Honestly, this is my favourite. I'm yet to try Rose Noir and Peony yet, so let me know in the comments if you've tried them. But I'm just going to fill my sink up with some kettle water, put all the cloths in there, and then I like to use that to wipe all of the sides and the appliances and stuff like that. I'm then going to use this new bin powder I got, fill it up with my bin, and then also pop a wash on.
There's too many voices talking back at me. There are a lot of choices waiting to be made.
I'm going to pop in one of my new Febreze plugins. These are so good, so scented. I think they last 90 days or something, but I always change it up because I've heard horror stories about these. So I make sure I've always got a lovely fresh one. And then I'm just going to go around with the Hoover and the mop.
While you're on the open sea.
Moving on to the hallway, I'm then just going to grab my duster, dust all the appliances, although I literally cleaned it yesterday, so this wasn't too bad because we put the mirror up yesterday, so it wasn't too bad. And then I'm going to go around with the Hoover and also the mop.
The shore, while you're on the open sea.
Moving on to the bathroom. Also, I cleaned this yesterday, so it wasn't too bad, but I'm just going to pop in one of these new tablets and then just go over all the bits and bobs like the mirror, the frames, the sink and stuff, just to give it a nice dust, and then also give it a Hoover and a mop.
Me of you, trying to figure out.
So once that is done, I'm going to move on to the lounge. Normally I have my areas upstairs, but we just got this new one which is a heated one, so I just popped it in the front room. So I'm just going to take all the washing upstairs, collapse the area, and then move on to the sofa, fluff up all the cushions, spray it and make it look all pretty again.
While you're on the open sea, cannot take this anymore.
I I am then just going to move on to dusting basically everything in the lounge, and then also hoover and mop the floor.
Standing by the shore while you're the open sea cannot take this anymore, cannot take this anymore, cannot take this anymore.
Okay, once that is done, I'm going to move on to the hallway and dust my mirrored shelf. I love it so much, but it does get dusty very quickly. And then I'm going to move upstairs. I had a lot of washing that I needed to put away, like towels and clothes and stuff like that. So I just thought I'd fold them up very neatly, I mean as neat as I can, and pop them in the airing cupboard.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed?
Moving on to my beauty room. Oh my goodness, as you can see, this was a total mess, but it is very easy to clean, I'll give you that. I mean, the inside the drawers don't look it, but it's fine if it looks it from the outside. I do need to organise it all though, so let me know if you have any tips on organising inside your drawers. And then I'm just going to get rid of any clothes and stuff like that that isn't needed in the room, and just dust everywhere. Dust, dust, dust.
Maybe you don't wanna know, you don't see what you have in front of you, or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts, cause I don't wanna waste my time.
After I have finished with the beauty room, I'm then going to move on to the toilet. This also was quite clean, so I just thought I'd give it a little clean over and make it look all lovely and sparkly and clean.
If we don't feel the same way, then don't pretend.
Okay, so moving on to the hallway, I just popped some powder on the floor. This is the shake and vac and it smells insane, so I'm just going to hoover all of the hallway, and then we're going to go upstairs to the bedroom. We purposely didn't make the bed today just so I can show you guys how I make it, and you can see the end result from it. But yeah, normally every single morning we get up and make
From the
it.
start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts, cause I don't wanna waste my time, no. I don't wanna waste my time, no.
It is then time to spray my favourite Lenore. This is a crease releaser, but I feel like it's such a strong scent that it's amazing just to spray over your bed after. And then I'm just going to dust any sort of appliances and stuff like that, clean the bathroom, make it all sparkly, and then go in with the hoover and
So maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts, cause I don't wanna waste my time, no. I don't wanna waste my time, no. No, I don't wanna waste.
Anyway, my lovelies, I am going to end the video up here. I really hope you guys have enjoyed my full house speed clean. Don't forget to come back on Sunday for my next video, and don't forget to check out CHERRYZ. I'll pop all that info in the description box down below. I love you so much, and I'll see you next time.
I still recall the first time I saw you. I was so nervous to talk.